This is the most recent update concerning the Obiokole street that leads down to Y-Junction towards Opunime axis. Well, the face of this road is gradually coming out, and they have extended the asphalting down to towards that Y-Junction. Initially the asphalt was long ago ended at close to Club Street, but this time around they have extended it down to Y-Junction. And the first base of dualization, the demarcation at the middle of the road, is getting towards that axis that there will be a roundabout towards the second Y-Junction. And we are going to have a little movement down towards that Bunime axis. Yes, we are starting our journey from Express Junction by Obiokole, and that is where we are now. Please don't be surprised and don't be shocked, because this place is out of usual rowdiness that people usually experience when moving along this axis. You can see no trading on the walkways, no trading on the road. Vehicles avoid parking anyhow. This is what we are saying. To restore sanity starts and ends with the government. Just a little push, you will see people obey the law. Even at night time, this place is not that rowdy. These keke people that usually occupy the whole place, they even stay inside their park in the night. So this is just a little push. They are just starting. They have not come out in full force. You see the power of government. Even if a little collaboration will come from stakeholders, private people and public people, the government has that fundamental powers to restore sanity in whichever situation. So on behalf of subscribers and viewers of YangaLife channel, we are saying that government should keep it up, and there are a lot more to do, especially in terms of sanitation. That sanitation aspect of it is a very big issue that we need to get right. Don't worry, by the time we get right sanitation, you see the difference between now and then. So from somewhere here is where the new asphalt continued. It continued from there and stretches down towards the Y-Junction. Even the other side of the road, they are about to asphalt it just like this one. So, but they are done with this one towards Y-Junction, and they are moving, or they will soon start the other side. This is the most current update on this particular axis. But by the time we move over to after Y-Junction, you will see what is going on there at this present time. Then probably when we have our reverse view, we are going to see this other side very well and its situation right now. Yes, honestly speaking, they need to speed up with the construction of this axis, because this axis is a very busy place and people knows what they pass through here down towards the second Y-Junction going towards Onitsha. What they pass through there is not something that is explainable. People are passing through a lot. Even during this dry season, dust, I said this thing earlier, dust is disturbing people along this axis. And January have just ended. We've entered February, and that reminds me, I wish to congratulate everybody that made it into this February, and I say a happy new month to you all and all of us in this channel. You know, the year have started running, and we already passed January, remaining 11 months to end this year. So, but if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell. Let's hear your view about this video. Thank you. Yes, we are moving towards the second Y-Junction, and this thing that they are digging here, probably in the next update, the thing will become clear to us. So, but for now, we are yet to understand what is happening here, and whatever that is happening there is for good. I am very, very sure of it. So, but you can see that the demarcation of this road, you know, is gradually coming to the both ends. You know, before they will start putting the barrier, the basement is what I am talking about. They have demarcated it, and if you are driving along this axis and probably it is not the way you used to, you know, maneuver and enter the adjoining streets that you use this time around. I told you guys earlier on when I'm showing this place that there will be a roundabout somewhere at that second Y-Junction, and right now is becoming clearer. Now, if you are going towards this road, if you are passing through this side by the left, going towards the seminary, you cannot turn from here to that seminary road direct. You can see the importance of dualization of road. It ensures discipline of motorists. Yes, that reminds me, I said I'm going to present a video on the purpose of dualization, so people will not misunderstand the word dualization, and they will get to understand why government dualize road, you know, and why there is need to dualize some of our roads. We'll get to that in the next video, not in this video. So just like I said, we are heading towards Opunime. This is the road that leads towards Opunime, and something told me that this road is the road that connects that back of government house road, that road that are under construction now near government house, that will come in front of government house. This road now leads to that road. I think I am a bit sure of it, because information I got is that people cannot use this road down towards government house because of a little stream. And remember that when I was presenting that of government house, I made mention of a stream that needs bridge. So that brings the connection between that road and this one, I guess, as much. And secondly, this road, you can use it to go to Alese towards that INEC side of the road, that police Mopo side. They said this road, you can divert right towards that axis. So probably, the road is quite an important road. It's just that it passed through a village. This is Obuno village. That's why it's called Obuno Ime. A bit down there is the village road of Obuno. This place looks like a junction, but it's still the continuation of the road towards inside Obuno. So actually, this is the axis of this road that leads to that connection that I was talking about. it needs a culvert or a little bridge at that stream to be able to cross over towards that road construction that is going on close to government house. Well, one of these days we are going to visit that road to bring updates to you viewers. We need to know what is happening on that road, and every other project we usually bring you updates. So let's keep. Yes, viewers, we are not going to move further past this upstairs because the road continues down there. So, but maybe one of these days you may get that strength to move down and see where the road ends. But for now, we have started having our reverse view of the place that we came through. So shortly we are going to return to the Y-Junction and we will have our complete reverse view of this update concerning this Obiokoli Street towards Obunime Road construction. Thank you. So, but for now, you will confirm that the road construction did not reach this axis. Actually, this is where the road construction stopped, this place in particular. So, from here now, if you start observing, you'll be seeing gutters by both sides. So, this is where the construction towards Ogbunime stopped. Well, I observed that the gutters are not quite big enough both sides, but it's not a bad one. So, but I don't still understand why government decided to, to be constructing open drainage systems, in built-up areas. It's not quite good, and it makes the city very dirty because sanitation is not quite effective, and you start seeing all sorts of planks, wood people put on top of the drainage so that they can be able to cross over. And right now, government don't provide those crossings. The ones you see along these places are being done by individuals. All those slabs that cover drainage. The only places that government does that slab is in school or church. Aside school or church, you're on your own. You provide your own slab and provide your own wood or carton or whatever you think is good for you to cross the gutter. Well, if you talk now, some of them will say that you don't used to have good road before. This turning is not an official turning, it's just where the demarcation ends. So people are turning there. The actual turning will come down towards that second Y-Junction where there will be a little roundabout. So that vehicle that is coming out from Goodwill will move down to the roundabout to turn before going to where they are going. That is the way it's going to work. If you are coming out from Seminary, you cannot cross over to the other side direct. You must move down towards that Y-Junction and have your turn, come down here and go to Onitsha or Goodwill axis. That is the way it works. That is one of the advantages of dualization. It helps to instill discipline on the road so that people don't move anyhow along that axis. Yes, sir, back to Obiokoli Street, but this time around we are going to show you the other lane, how it is, the situation of the other lane. And just like I told you, the other side is yet to be asphalted actually, but they have leveled it up, and very soon it is going to commence, and they are going to bring it down towards the Y-Junction, from where they will continue the asphalting. Well, like I said, I hope the road is going to be completed before the rains arrive. If not, it's not going to be easy once again. So, but the major work has been done. The drainages have completed. It remains just to probably channel that water at Y-Junction so that the asphalt will continue. Yes, we are back at the roundabout connecting Obiokoli and Club Street. And this white G-Guard you are seeing belongs to B-Lord. That's B-Lord passing. This guy, this guy, according to him, he's the highest Bitcoin dealer in Africa. Well, I'm not surprised at that feat. because people can be blessed in so many ways, and just he got his own through Bitcoin, according to the story that we heard. And you know how much one Bitcoin is, presently when you convert it to Naira, it becomes a very big amount of money. So until I come your way next time, I say bye for now.